Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I'm Sandeep and most welcome again at this YouTube channel, officially Sandeep, and also at this Facebook page. I hope if you are belong in village and if you want to improve yourself, my dear friends, you can watch to me and you can learn lot of us. As me, if you are a learner, if you want to do something well in your life, if you want to speak English, and if you think that how you can improve your communication skill and how you can learn lot of us, my dear friends, because also I am a learner and also I am a student. I am learning, I am doing practice, and I am doing lot of conversation. If you think that how you can improve and how you can speak, so you can watch to me and you can learn lot of us here. If you are a student, my dear friends, if you are a learner, if you think that how you can improve, if you belong a village, I think that in your mind come thoughts how we can improve my communication skill, how we can develop of my skill, how we can develop of my English, and how we can talk of people in English. If you are a student, I think that in your mind come as type thoughts. If you want and if you want to speak English confidently, you must watch of my video. We are providing to you lot of us. We are providing to you lot of grammar and lot of making sentences, how you can make sentences and how you can speak fluently, my dear friends. So it is a hard problem who is belong a village and they have not lot of resources, how they can improve, how they can think in English and how they can learn English. If you are thinking as so, you must watch lot of people and you can think you can do everything in your life. If you want to do, if you want to do practice, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to learn English, I think that I am saying to you, in our country 100 in 70% people is a problem how to develop our communication skill, how to improve of my English and how we talk of a stranger people. अजनबियों से बातें कैसे करें, how we do talk, how we conversation of stranger people. In our mind come thoughts, my dear friends. If in your if you if you have knowledge, I think that you would talk of people, you would talk of anyone people, any people. If you want know, if you want know make of the sentences, if you want to talk in English, my dear friend, we are saying to you, if you think that I think you can improve yourself and you must start where you are. There is no one know everything before. They know that they're doing mistake if they are learning something. If you will do, if you want to learn, my dear friends, you will do mistake. But one time will come as your mistake will be make your power. You must know that at this time. And if you think that how am I getting speak front to you, you can watch to me. Also I am feeling hesitate and I am nervous when we are talking in our before video. You can watch to me, but now you can watch to me. We are talking confidently and you can watch at my face. There is no one fear. And if you think that if you want to improve, my dear friends, you have to do practice, you have to learn vocabulary word, you have to learn how to make sentences and how we do translate this word. If you are thinking as I think that you can speak English fluently and confidently, my dear friends. So I think that you have to listen. Lot of people, they says that when we are going to speak, the word not come in our mind, how we are keeping of my talk between of people and front of my friends. जब मैं बात करने जाता हूँ तो मेरे मन में या मेरे माइंड में वर्ड ही नहीं आता है कि कैसे मैं अपनी बातों को रखूँ. हाउ बी कीप ऑफ माई टॉक विथ माई फ्रेंड्स, अपने दोस्तों के साथ में. माई डियर फ्रेंड्स, it is a common problem, and when you are starting create every one learner, you must know that at this talk not only to you, I am saying to you, if you want to learn, if you want to speak, you have to face lot of problem, you have to do, and you have to give lot of time to you if you want to speak, if you want to learn, and if you want to do practice. Lot of us, my dear friends, I think that if you want to improve yourself, you have to do practice, conversation, reading, writing, and talking of people, if you want to remove your fear. My dear friends, I think that I am telling to you a story of myself. In my college where I am, so you don't know that I am teaching, my dear friends, and a function is organized of the director of the college. So I think that we have to spoke on the 15 October, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam birthday, at the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam birthday, organized of my college director, and we think that we would speak about him some word, and I think lot of people they were वहाँ पर बहुत से लोग थे. I have not met chance, but I am feeling nervous how people would think, because when we are going to speak, my dear friends, we think that how we keep of my thoughts, how we will speak. So when we see different trade people are coming, and they are sit front to you, and you have to go on the stage and you have to speak. My dear friends, you feel nervous, also I am feeling that time. So but I have not met chance to speak, and I have not met to chance to keep up my thoughts between all of them, but I am feeling that time. Why am I feeling nervous? Why am I feeling nervous, and why I am hesitate watching of people? Because I am not confident that time. So if you want to improve, my dear friends, if you want to improve, my dear friends, you have to do practice, and you have to give lot of time yourself. If you want to remove your fear, if you want to remove your hesitation, if you want to remove your hesitation, and if you want remove your fearness, you have to do lot of practice, you have to do conversation. And if you think that how to overcome your fear, my dear friend, there is no one would come your fear, only you will get decrease your fear doing practice, giving time. Lot of us add to you. So thank you, and light have to remove. If you are watching first time, my dear friends, at this YouTube channel, you can subscribe to me and also like and share this video if you are a learner, if you want to improve yourself. Thank you. Jai Hind.